So hacking. What's the first thing that comes to mind? Some shady person in a dark hoodie? Movies make it look like hacking is always about someone stealing information. But that's not the full picture. There are actually different types of hackers, and today we are breaking it down for you. So let's dive in. Let's start with the good guys, white hat hackers. These are ethical hackers who use their skills legally to help organizations protect their systems. Think of these people as digital security experts. Companies hire them to test their own security by finding vulnerabilities before cybercriminals do. They follow strict rules, get licenses, and work within legal boundaries. Ever heard of penetration testers? That's them. Simulating attacks so businesses can stay safe. For example, ethical hackers working for tech giants, banks, and government agencies. They are the reason where online transactions, emails, and data stay protected. Now let's talk about the black hat hackers, the bad actors. These are the hackers who break into systems without permission, often for personal gain, financial fraud, or even cyber warfare. They exploit security weaknesses, steal data, and sometimes cause damage to businesses and individuals. Remember the massive data breaches that expose millions of personal records? That's usually the work of black hat hackers. Their motive ranges from making money through selling stolen data to disrupting systems often for fun or revenge. Governments and law enforcement agencies are constantly trying to track them down. Now comes the interesting group, grey hat hackers. They don't fit neatly into the good or bad category. Grey hat hackers might be accessing the system without permission, but instead of stealing the data, they report the vulnerability to the organization. Some do it for ethical reasons, while others do it for some kind of rewards. The problem? Even though their intentions might be good, accessing a system without permission is still illegal. So, while they are not as malicious as black hat hackers, they are still breaking the law. Cybersecurity is one of the fastest growing fields, and ethical hackers play a huge role in keeping the digital world safe. At the end of the day, hacking is a tool, it all depends on how it's used. Ethical hacking is a career that pays well, helps businesses stay secure, and most importantly, makes the digital space safer. If you are interested in hacking, the right path is to become a white hat hacker. Get certified, get trained, and make an impact legally. The demand for ethical hacking is huge. The organizations are constantly looking for skilled professionals to protect their systems. At Win in Life Academy, we provide expert-led courses that guide you to becoming a cybersecurity professional. Whether you want to learn ethical hacking, penetration testing, or network security, we have got courses designed to help you build real-world skills. Start your journey with the right knowledge, the right guidance, and a legal path into cybersecurity. Because cybersecurity should be about securing, not exploiting.